chickens out of the coop. The last two that we kept, they are in that little coop back there now. So now I can clean. I took out a dresser that was inside the coop where I stored all the chicken stuff. It was pretty beat up, so we got rid of it. And today my goal is to clean up all the straw from the floor so we can power wash the whole coop to turn it back into a normal shed. It's so sad because to me, having a compost bin, that straw is gold. That is, it's all dry. I explained about composting before, but it's all dry, lots of carbon in it, and it does such a good job balancing all of the nitrogen in the kitchen scraps and all the fresh stuff that comes out of the kitchen. If you made a pile of just chicken scraps in your garden, it would smell really bad and it would be full of flies. But when you add kitchen scraps and then you add dry stuff like straw, dry leaves, dry grass, whatever, it really balances it out and it turns into amazing compost without smelling bad, without bringing flies. So this is straw, it's chicken feathers, and a ton of chicken poop, like a 6 months worth of chicken poop, which is amazing nourishment for the garden. But I am in the process of emptying the compost bins. If the new owners don't want to compost, then at least they can use it to store wood or whatever. So I'm gonna put all of the straw in bags and take it to the place that takes all our pine needles. I hate it. I've been hating throwing my kitchen scraps in the trash this last week because I just told my whole family we couldn't compost anymore here. I can't wait to start composting again. Oh, and so we got the dresser out, and we also got, this was the ramp that would let the chickens climb up to that shelf. And this ramp, my handyman Pete, who has helped me over the years so much, and I'm gonna miss him so much. Him and I built this ramp together. I'm gonna take it with me, and it'll be a little piece of here, there. Have you guys used these bags before? I don't know how you guys open them, but I found a way to do it myself. Oh well, gross. Grant just looked at me and said that I'm getting older because my hair is all gray. I'm covered in chicken dust. The 5 bags are full. I was able to fit quite a bit, but not all. So I decided that the rest I'm gonna put it on the raised beds. It's perfect mulch. It's full of nourishment that can break down over time, and it'll make the raised beds look pretty. Grant is flirting with me from the kitchen. Oh, it looks so pretty. The gold color of the straw really makes the beds look really pretty. No iPad right now. Unless you want to do Khan Academy. You can do that. You took a shower? Oh, wow. Oh, well, that's really good. These are the things that make me happy in life. Nourishing chicken poop and straw in my garden make me happy. It looks so pretty. I love that golden tone. And you know, it's like a blanket. It protects it from these last cold snaps. It's so sad. Look, my asparagus was already coming out. That's an asparagus guy. Here's another one. This is an asparagus shoot. Here's one. They froze a couple nights ago. It's all soft and weird, so the plant has to start again. I have about, I don't know, somewhere between 6 and 10 asparagus crowns in these beds, and they are like 7 years old, so they're really established, and I am planning to take them with me, but I'm gonna wait until the last minute. It's not gonna be good for them, but I'm gonna do it anyway because it has been a long process to get these crowns to be old enough to give me asparagus, and I don't want to give them up. But the beds look beautiful. Hi Maggie. Hey baby, what's in your mouth?